So hi guys, today we are going to unpack this beauty from Sony A7C Mark II, which has just launched in 2024, and I'm replacing it with what? My A7 III. And it was there for a very long time. I love this body, it's very nice, it's compact, it's handy. I have my own strap with it because I don't like their original straps. But this one is cool body, but right now we needed something which is easy to travel, easy to move, so we have one more compact body than this one. Although I could go for A7 IV, which is the next one after A7 III, but this one has some features which I'm going to tell you about in a while, which made me choose this body instead of A7 IV. So let's do it. So let's start this shitty stuff which we have to do every time whenever we have a body. So yeah, after all that mess, now we go into the main stuff. The first thing is battery. So we have the same FZ100 battery as of A7 III. I guess they are using it because it's really good. It gives you lots of shots. Like I can go for more than 300 shots in one show over this battery, and it's really good for it. Then after this battery, let's go for the main body, which is the actual height. So if you look at it, it's very small. See, it looks like something like those vlog cameras of ZV-E1. This much small. Let's see the real first look of it. Ta-da. It seems like their top body size or whatever they have, the new series for ZV-E1, ZV-E10, those body sizes, because the grip is very small. You see, for my hands it's really very small. I can literally get just 3 of my fingers on top of it and I don't have anything to do with this. But yeah, they have extra grip for it as well, which you can use, and this will give you a very tight grip. The only issue I feel like I will have with this one is whenever I will be putting my lenses on top of it, which are a bit heavier. Let's say right now I have a 35mm. So if I put it on top of it, it will be very tough to carry it and do the shoots. But overall, the body looks nice, it's compact, easy to travel. You can keep it in anywhere in your bag, and if you're doing the videography, then you don't have those heavy lenses, right? You will be going for 16mm, right? And it will be very small and it will be very lightweight, so it's easy to move around. Why we moved to this body is because that one thing is having a generative AI. So it has a built-in AI functionalities. That's like their vlog cameras. Some functionalities are missing because we don't need that much of AI in it. Maybe they felt like it, और उन्होंने उसमें से वो remove कर दी. इसके अलावा, because I am moving from A7 III, right? So what is the difference I feel like? So this body and this one, if you keep it on like edge to edge like this, so you see A7 III is a bit bigger than this one, and the grip looks like a much more handy to you. And then if you look at the side like this, see, it's very small. They have removed this top area as well from here to make it more compact, and the top layout is also a bit different. So we had 2 custom buttons here in A7 III, but now we don't have any custom buttons here. So this body have 4 custom buttons, but this one has just 2 custom buttons in it, which you can see here in the main layout. In the main layout, you see, so we have C1 here and C2, which is a bin button, so you can use it and customize it as well. But if you keep it as a bin, that's fine. But if you are more into customizing your buttons, then there we have one disadvantage, which is like having less custom keys for you to use. Other than that, what changed is it has front view for your LCD, and it is rotatable. They are going for this change for a while now, because till A7 III we didn't have it. In A7 III we had just the tilt for it, but now we are moving towards this thing, which is more comfortable. If you are going for the vlog stuff, you can look into it while in front of the camera, and yeah, you can rotate it in many levels. So this is the thing. Other thing which they changed is they moved the viewfinder from here to here, and this is a bit smaller viewfinder than this one. If you look into it, the size of it, so the size of this viewfinder is a smaller one, but that doesn't matter. Most of us are taking pictures like always like this, like we are looking into it all the time. So this is fine. It's not a big change. And if you look into the main layout, obviously they moved the viewfinder here, so the menu button is moved here, one custom button is also here, autofocus is at the same place, function is on the same place, we have the same scroller here, and same play and delete button. What changed is here. So here now it's a hybrid model, right? You can use this for videography and photography, and the best part is it has those options here. So if you have your videography set up here and you set the changes for videography, those changes will be saved here. And if you move to the photography and you make some changes here, so all the changes you made for photography will be saved here, so that whenever you are moving to the videography, you don't have to make those all settings again, because those settings will automatically be there, right? This is the advantage. Like, you can instantly move to the your videography, because obviously, let's say we are doing the photography, right? So in photography you need what, 125 of the shutter speed or 160, but then you move to the videography, you need 60 or 30. So in that case, you don't need to move your shutter again and again. So this is the best part about it. So this is the first look for your A7C II, which looks nice, compact, lightweight, easy to carry. And if you have issue with the grip, you can go for the extra grip, which they are giving you, by the way, in A7R5, but in the box. But here you have to buy it yourself. So major changes you see between this and this are two major changes right now. This one has 24 megapixels and this one has 33 megapixels. This is one step up from A7 III, but if you're moving from A7 IV, there is no as such change. And second change, if you are a user of two memory cards at a time, here you had two memory slots, right? You could use two memory cards here, but in this one you just have one. So this is I guess one disadvantage you get, because you are going to the compact version. You have to reduce some things here so that you can set up everything. It has a USB port, which is type C, and also it has a HDMI mini support here. But I guess this thing is also same as this one. This also has the same stuff. Type C is here, and you have small HDMI here. But overall, if you are moving from A7 III, it's a very good upgrade, because it's 2024 model. It has extra advanced AI in it, just like those CV models. And yeah, some things are still missing from CV models, because those are vlog cameras and they need more AI for vlogs, but those things are missing in this one. But if you're moving from A7 IV, I don't think it's a good move, because it is just take it as same as A7 IV, just a compact version of it with some new UI and AI. That's it, nothing else. So we will see you in another video with the review of this camera, how the pictures come out of it and how does it look and how it is different from A7 III, and we will review them and compare them and see, is it worth it to move from A7 III or not. So take care, see you guys in another video. Bye.